Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Hummingbird Nest, and I just wanted to show you around my yard for Theme Thursday, which I'm going to do birds. Of course I'm going to do birds because I'm the Hummingbird Nest. So I'm going to show you all the birds around my yard, and we're going to go to the store and buy some bird feed. I cleaned all my bird feeders out from the winter. Here they all are. And I'm going to buy all new bird seed to fill them all. Here's my beautiful wind art decoration. Not too much wind blowing today. It's really beautiful when the wind's really blowing. Yes, and I'm doing some yard work from the storm damage. There's some more bird feeders. More birds. My beautiful swimming pool with my turtles in there. See them down at the end of the pool? So here's my pool area. I just came down these stairs. I'm going to be coming out here today. Still working on part of the wall there. My sunroom from the outside. Here's my shiplap beach wall that I put in. And I put some lights along here so at night we can come out here and enjoy. I do have a few decorations up. I love my little pool sign here. There's my turtles. Got some more stairs here. And my table down here, I need to get my umbrella out and put out for the summer now. Everything is so beautiful and has grown up. And I'm sure you can hear the birds out here in the background. Other stairs that go up to my sunroom area. There you can see my turtles. I had them put them on the stairs so that you could see them as you go down the stairs. And then they're following all the way up to the mama turtle out there. And then up on this stone wall right in the center, I have a fountain that comes out, and at night you can turn it on and it turns all different kinds of colors. It's really pretty. And then over here is where I sit, bring out my music and enjoy everything. And I come up the stairs, I walk around. Here's my wind chime. I love wind chimes. This is one I got at the Wild Birds Unlimited store. And it's so beautiful when it chimes. Let me see if I can get it to do it something. It has such a beautiful sound. And as I come around my sunroom, and here's my patio where I sit under the shade. Hi everyone. Well, we got the whole family out here in the backyard and we're bird watching. And today the babies are going to learn about the birds, and they each one have their own bird, and this is called The Little Book of Backyard Bird Songs. And it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 birds in this little book and their bird calls, and it also talks about interesting information about each bird. But I'm not going to go through all of those, just a few of them today. Here are the babies. They each have their little bird, so they can look at their bird and look out in the yard and tell me if they see their bird. I'm wearing my hummingbird shirt. You can see my hummingbird right on here. I got this a few years ago when I was down in Sarasota, Florida on Siesta Key. They have a lot of beautiful gift shops and things that have just very different things in them. So I think we're going to start off with the American goldfinch, which is what Katie is holding on to. And this is what the goldfinch sounds like. Okay. There's the owl, which is what Marvin's hanging on to. Okay, so now we're going to take a walk around the yard, and I'm going to turn this around so you can see what the babies are looking at to find their birds and listen for their calls for their birds. Okay, so this is how we're sitting under the patio because it's very, very hot. And those are all the bird feeders out there. And the hummingbird feeder. They haven't been coming around as much as usual. I've changed the their feeder nectar out a couple times now, and I'm not sure what's going on here. So anyway, this is what we're looking at. I'm going to take little Phoenix here, and we're just going to take a walk out here. And look at how nice my little wind art is going. There it is. I just love watching this. It's so mesmerizing. Here's some more bird feeders and a little bird house. Okay, we're going to go back and get under the porch because it is really hot out here. Little Phoenix is melting, I think. I think I'm going to try to take the other babies out so they can take a tour. Look at them all sitting in their little yard cart that I bought. I decked it all out with a quilt and pillows so they can be all comfy, except for the heat. So we'll do this real quick. Right, there they are in front of the bird feeders. I'm going to turn around and let them get to see the bird feeders. Hey, there they are, watching the bird feeders to see if they find their bird that they're holding. So we're going to go back inside where it's cool and read the rest of the bird book. Okay, everyone. I always like to end my videos by saying, everyone, please have a kind heart. You can have a fierce mind and a brave spirit. Love you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.